Welcome back. We can then use that knowledge that we know that ChatGPT understands a specific framework on previous queries that we have done. So we will then give ChatGPT a query and we will ask it to use previous information in order to use a framework that we have verified in order to undertake an online marketing activity. We're going to include some additional qualifying information and we are then going to click enter. And we are going to allow ChatGPT to do what we have asked it to do. So basically what we have now done is we have asked ChatGPT to write a sales letter in a specific context. And we can add on to this element. We can give ChatGPT more instructions for this project. So we can give ChatGPT an additional query and we can then click enter. And ChatGPT will give us what we have asked for. And we will see it in context in the form that we have written it. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.